Kubernetes Recipes, a practical guide for container orchestration and deployment. Nowadays, Kubernetes is the best technology if you would like to deploy AI model in a hybrid cloud. But technologies like Carpenter, custom resource definition, Istio, Prometheus, Grafana sometimes enter in the equation. And big companies like Spotify, LinkedIn, and CERN, Apple leverage Kubernetes for their workload. In this book, Greg and I, we put everything that we know about Kubernetes. It's a cookbook, so you can use it as a reference and copy and paste in your day-to-day deployment. You can find a lot of information, and as you can see, we are talking about 750 pages, so it's full of knowledge and is up to date of 2025. Here you can find, we start from the basic, deploying Kubernetes with Minikube, kube-admin, and things are getting more spicy when we go to the cloud. Amazon Web Service, Google Kubernetes Engine, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, DigitalOcean, OVH, Ethner, KubeSpray, and a lot of other interesting providers. But what I really like about the book is that it's practical approach. So we start with the fundamental building block, resource limit, request, replica set, deployment, replication controller, how to use customize, but the important things, the cluster autoscaler, how we can start from one pod and deploy to the moon and beyond. Because I hope you have a million of pods to deploy, especially if you need to handle spike of traffic like in Black Friday or in a high season sale. It's contained a lot of interesting things about stateful and stateless application, how to handle networking, set up a load balancer, and the things are getting more interesting when you got like Istio, Set Manager, external DNS, how to manage also external secret with Kubernetes, NFT tables, and a lot of things about cloud-native network function, virtual network function, and there are a lot of interesting things about KubeVirt, how you can run also traditional virtual machine inside Kubernetes. But what I really like about the book is that it has a practical approach about how to manage security, how to use AppArmor, SecComp, Service Mesh, and why handle with Istio, and how to use it with in a high-performance computer, WebAssembly as well, and how to run AI/ML workload on Kubernetes. As you know, there's MLOps, AIOps, and prompt engineering, how we can use custom resource definition, API extension, feature gates, and the things goes above and beyond, especially with kube-native, Kubeflow, and we also talk about how we can leverage green IT using Kepler, Kubernetes efficient power level exporter. Greg and I wrote this book all last year, and I think that we infused all our knowledge and expertise inside of it. I will be really curious to hear your feedback, and is available today worldwide in all the best bookshop as well on Amazon. Thank you and see you inside. Bye.